Hi, I'm going to show you another great tip on how to keep your back happier while you're gardening. My name is Roxanne Meldrum and I'm a physical therapist with PT Health Academy. I talk a great deal in my videos about replacing bending with hip hinging and squatting. And maybe you've been working on it and you have a really great squat technique. The problem is that sometimes getting down in that squat and staying there for a while can be really tiring on your legs. So I would suggest using a stool, flip a bucket. This is a great time to get your garden bench out. Sitting on the edge of a bucket or a stool in that good squat position can give you the chance to stay here for a while without depending on the strength of your legs. If you struggle to get into this position, again, I did a tip last week on kind of hinging through your hips and working on the mobility of your hips so that you can get down in this position well and keep your back flat and protect it from injury or pain. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really does help my small business grow. Thank you so much for listening. And now you can get here and stay here for longer without wearing. And now you can stay here longer because you're not dependent on the strength of your legs